welcome to my channel, ThatGirlKyee. I'm just gonna tell you guys welcome because this channel, yeah, y'all don't think talking to a camera is like weird? Like, whatever. Anyways, let me continue. The point of this video is to tell you guys more about me and what this channel consists of. So I want to jump right into it. I'm from Chicago. Yes, the best city in the world. Yes, we have the best food, the best skyline. You name it, we got it. Like, and it's no arguments. No arguments. We're the best. I majored in health science in college. And guess what I'm doing now? YouTube videos. And I'm starting my own business. So from health science to entrepreneur, who would have thought? Like, who would have thought? Love, 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 love. See, my stomach just growled, and that means they knew what I was about to say. I love French fries. Not just regular French fries. I love all type of potatoes. Let me just make it more broad. I love potatoes. Waffle fries, steak fries, hash browns. You name it, smothered potatoes. Even potato chips, even sweet potatoes. Like, I love all French fries. No, I love all potatoes. Yes. So if you know me, you know if you put some potato in front of my face, I may eat it because my stomach just told me, yes, you need to eat some potatoes because it just ground. I'm surprised. I'm not sure if you guys want to hear it, but I definitely heard it. Now that everybody knows something about me, the whole point of this channel is to show you guys hair tips, tutorials, natural DIYs, more of a lifestyle type channel. So I'll start getting into more of the workouts, eating healthy. So right now I'm just focusing on the hair and the DIYs, but you guys will be getting to see more. So make sure you guys subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then I don't know what to tell you because you're gonna be missing out. And that's not what you want to do, because I have some great stuff coming up on this channel and it's gonna be so much more. So please, if you don't, think again and then subscribe. And I hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you let yourselves be known. Let me know what you like about my videos and things like that, because I mean, I want to know. Like, I want to know what people think or what I could do better or what you guys want me to do, because that's the whole point. It's for you guys. So welcome to my channel, ThatGirlKyee, and make sure you subscribe because there's gonna be some great stuff going on in this channel and you just don't want to miss it. So peace, love, happiness. Love you all. I am signing out.